I'm going to show you how to copy and paste pictures on your iPhone running iOS 18. Whether you want to quickly share an image from Safari or move a photo from your library to another app, it's super simple. iOS 18 streamlines the copy and paste process across your device. You can copy images from websites, your Photos app, or even messages, and then paste them directly into apps like Notes, Mail, or social media. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's copy an image from Safari. Find the picture you want to copy, then simply press and hold on the image until a context menu appears. When the menu pops up, tap Copy. It's that easy. Now open an app that supports images. For instance, the Notes app. Tap and hold in a blank note until you see the paste option and then tap it. Your image should appear in the note. And that's it. You've just pasted an image copied from Safari. You can also copy images directly from the Photos app. Open any photo, then press and hold on the image until the context menu shows up. Tap Copy. After copying, switch to any app where you want to paste the photo. Just press and hold in the desired area and tap Paste. Sometimes you might run into issues where the image doesn't paste correctly. If that happens, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS 18. For instance, iOS 18.2 has fixed some paste related bugs. Another cool feature in iOS 18 is the ability to copy just the subject of a photo. When you press and hold on a person or object, you'll see a glowing outline appear. Tap Copy to grab just that element and paste it wherever you need. It's great for creating custom collages or even iMessage stickers. I hope this guide helps you master copying and pasting pictures on iOS 18. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with any questions or additional tricks you use. Thanks for watching.